I'm sorry. I strongly oppose this ban. As an artist and a social influencer, I have every right to speak my voice wherever I want to and wherever it's needed. I have not done anything against my state, against my motherland Manipur. I was shocked and disheartened when I first got the news. Having been an outspoken person from the very start of the violence, I have always been a diehard supporter of my motherland Manipur. When I was called to represent Manipur in the Northeast Festival, organized by my home India as a showstopper, I only went in the intention of supporting my state, spreading awareness to the thousands of people present there. That was my only goal. So when my name was slandered, I was shocked and I'm hurt. I want to thank all my supporters. However, it is also very disappointing that the focus of the war is being shifted towards me. My situation is only a tiny fraction compared to the violence of Manipur. I think we should all speak up even more for our motherland and for our people. More unity, less hatred. Thank you.